Welcome to King J Talk Show with Sean Nguyen. The goal of this program is to help you become top 1% success in real estate. We did it, so we can show you how. I want to talk to you about the real estate investment opportunity number 6 in 2023. You hear me right. The 6th investment opportunity in real estate in 2023 in Arizona. With 3D printed homes. Investing in 3D printed homes is relatively new to most people. But the good news is 3D printed homes are very affordable. So because unaffordability, because the higher interest rate and lead to higher payment, it causes many home buyers unable to qualify for their mortgage payment. But the 3D printed homes really offer a solution to a lot of people. Are you ready to review the 3D printed homes offered by Century Communities in Mountain View Estates, Casa Grande, Arizona, USA? So right now, regular new home price in Arizona going somewhere $300,000 and up. But take a look at the 3D home offers by Century Community. So you see here the 3D printed homes and now selling. Let me show you the different elevations and different models here, what they offer right now in the Mountain View Estate community. So different floor plans and different models, but look like a traditional homes. So the texture, the outside, the roof are traditional, but the wall are 3D printed. Beautiful. So let me show you the price, okay? For this model, let me go down here to make sure that we got the floor plan. Okay, so this model, number 1, is a 1447 square foot home, 3 bed and 2 bath. So the price going from $252,990. So that is from $253,000. And another model is a 1656 square foot home, and the price going from $275,000. And there is another bigger model. This one is a 1901 square foot home, and it's going from $285,000. So we're looking at these 3 models, and the price, all of them are under $300,000. Okay, and today is February 2nd, 2023. So the price may be changed in the future, going up or going down, we may not know. But right now, with the 3 to 4 bedroom and 2 bathroom. So right now with 3 and 4 bedrooms and 2 bathroom, it price going from $253,000 to $285,000. That is the base price. So it is an awesome price to consider. It is on average about $30,000 to $40,000 cheaper than traditional build out there. So This one is a good consideration, and I'm seeing more and more 3D printed homes come onto the market in 2000 and 2023.
Good afternoon, Sean and Kellas here in Arizona. We are so excited to show you the 3D home. You hear it right, 3D home. That means the print by the 3D printer, and it's the wall thicker than a normal wall, and it looks really durable. And right now we're so excited to show you inside, and we have a few models that are available to choose from. Let's come and walk the inside. This model home is about 1,400 square feet. Let me show you the living room and around the house. Here is the kitchen. Kitchen have a granite countertop. Look very spacious. This is the family room where everybody gathering next to the kitchen. Very big, wide for family time. And this is the window of the 3D home. You see how thick the wall, and that's something very unique. And also all around the house very stable, and because of 3D printed, it's very durable. And this is the part is different. The texture of the wall is very thick and sounds very solid. And here's the bathroom in the master. The exciting part of this 3D home is water resistant, fire resistant, and durable, very energy efficient. However, the price of this house is much lower than a traditional house that was built by hand. So check it out. The price is very attractive.
So in summary, there are not many 3D printed builder right now, but at least we have Sentry Communities partnership with Diamond Age to build 3D printed home in Casa Grande, Arizona, and we are selling at least like 3 different models, price ranging from $264 to $285. So it is all under 300,000 and square footage ranging from 1,450 to 1,900. That is a very good size with options of 3 bedroom or 4 bedrooms. So it is awesome. So I think 3D is a way to go in the future. So let us know if you have any question. See you next time.